Hey guys, today I'm checking out this video projector that I received for reviewing purposes, and something that I think that it's nice is that it comes really well protected with foam, and it has an 180 degrees rotation, so you can be using it with your ceiling, a wall, if it's angled or anything. This is the main unit, and as you can see, it's quite small. Okay, you got the base, and you can place it upon any kind of tripod stand, which I think that it's really nice. You can, as I've said, move around, okay, like this. It has a subset 180 degrees movement. You can adjust the focus right here, and in the back we have the power on button, the HDMI port, a USB A button, and the AC port. Okay, let's see what else comes inside of the box. Okay, it feels heavy. We got first a remote control. Okay, it uses two AAA batteries. I'm gonna get them in a second. And we also get in here the user manual, okay, with all the important information about it, how to set it up. You can connect it with your cell phone, so it mirrors it, which I think that it's really nice. It comes with some pre-installed applications, but you can also connect your iPad, your TV box, your PC, which I'm gonna do it in a bit, or your gaming console, and still being able to use it. Okay, we got the power adapter and a HDMI, which I think that it's nice that it comes included. Okay, so I'm gonna connect it right here. I'm gonna set it up on this wall to see how it looks. So let me clean up this first, connect it, and test it out. Okay, come on. Okay, so now I'm just gonna place the batteries in this. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the light. Okay, and it's there. Okay, as you can see, I have it angled, and it gets a weird angle. I'm gonna get it up on the roof. And it has a automatic keystone correction, and I'm just checking it out, and I think that it's really nice. We can, okay, I'm gonna adjust it manually because it get a little off. Okay, I think that it's ready. I'm gonna adjust the focus, and that's it. I think that it looks perfect. Okay, we can adjust the screen zoom, the digital zoom. We can set it up on different installation methods if we want it below screen or anything like that, which I think that is really nice. We can also change the language and the language of the keyboard. We can adjust and connect it to Bluetooth for any kind of device, your cell phone, your soundbar, which I think that it's really nice. Obviously, you can connect it to Wi-Fi, so you can use the different applications like Netflix, YouTube, and in here we get the application. Okay, you can add in here some more like the App Store, Play Store. You want to screencast it, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, I'm gonna go back, and I have it right here at hand. We can also go ahead and choose a file. If we have it, we can connect the, as I've said, the USB, and we can see some videos, listen to music, and the screencast function for Android, Miracast, AirPlay, Android Wired, or even Apple Wired. Okay, I think that it's great that you get different options on how you wanna cast it, which I think that it's really nice. And let's see the HDMI. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna just also focus a bit. Like that. And I think that it looks really nice. It has a really nice image quality. I'm gonna go ahead and jump through my different screensavers. Okay. One. Okay, it has some bright colors, and I think that it's perfect. You can use it while you're outside and want to look some movies inside your room. If you don't have a TV, I think that it's a nice option because, as I've said, you can angle it so it goes upon the ceiling or anything like that. And overall, I think that it's a really nice projector that you can use it anywhere that you need it. It's quite portable because of its nice size, and I think that it's perfect for where you're going camping and you have a power source and you can be able to use it. I think that it's a really nice option. And overall, I think that it's really complete set with different adjustments that you can make, that it's going to be really helpful. I like it a lot and I would really recommend it. See you guys.